Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. Again, a video on ticker symbol TRKA. I think I started making video on this particular stock when it was around 0.25 something. It went all the way to 0.99 and now came back again to 0.26. The cycle is completed. Just want to make this video to give you an update how this thing is moving, right? Because we know last Friday it came down 25% after our another 2.7%, almost 26% in Friday. Okay, so I'm going to talk about the support, resistance, short interest, some weird things I just noticed on the short interest. So I'm going to show you at the same time how we can play this and make some money. So anyway, this is TRKA, and we also know the market is selling off. Recently, the market is just coming down. So even though the market is coming down, like if you're day trading, you can make some money. You can just have a look like how we were doing. I think the last day we made some good money with ticker symbol UNCY, I think 30%. Then with ticker symbol LUNR, I think that one, another 20-30%. Also in our options channels here, mostly the SPY option, they are doing really good. You can see the big gains here, right? Also the other channels. So we are making money, and try to learn how to make money on red days. You can play put option. You can always just follow the alert and you can make some money. Anyway, I'm going to talk about TRKA because I have been talking about this for a long time. And if you want to be part of my community, then go to my Patreon. I'm going to leave the link in the first comment, also in the description below, so that you can join our community and we can all trade trade and make some money together. So first of all, TRKA. Okay, so let me find TRKA, the chart. Where is the chart? So TRKA, that's the chart. Nice uptrend and just coming down. I'm going to talk about the chart soon, but before that, let's have a look on few things. The volume is now 176 million, which is almost the average volume. If you look at day by day volume, we know like we were having lots of volume, over 600-700 million volume. Now the volume is coming down. The volume is coming down and almost like 176 million. So that's not a good sign, because when the stock comes down, volume comes down, that's not looking good. Yeah, we know that they have a price target on TRK 1.5 and they're still talking about this March 9th. But anyway, the stock price is now 0.26 after the earning, after the news, it came down. But what I want to show you here, that we know the short interest was around 120%, right? You see here, from that the short interest as per Ortex is only 3.59%. In last 7 days, the short interest got down by 96%. If this is true, means that all the shorts we had before, they actually covered their position, even though we didn't see a big spike, but they have covered. And I was watching a video from Zip Trader, and if you go to Fintel, you will see that still the short interest in dark pool or off exchange is 46%. So they are covering on dark pool. And yeah, just watch his video because I think it's a good one, because he was talking that they are covering, but still the price is not moving that high. So at some point the price will go up. He was also talking about the offering, what kind of offering that is. It was a good video. I would say just go to Zip Trader, most probably you know the name. Go and see his videos. So anyway, so that's the thing. The short interest came down a lot. The utilization is now, it means there are lots of shares available to short. So many shares have been returned because the short interest came down. The cost to borrow was so high, now it came down also 22%. So the shorts are winning at this particular moment. Okay, that's the big thing. Now in terms of the price action, if I go there, in my last video I also talked about the price action. You see my blue line here? That's the problem, right? Each time is coming down, it is making lower high. Obviously it's a downtrend. I can just add another line here. You can see how this thing is coming down on a downtrend. If it wants to go higher, it needs to break this downtrend. Currently it is trying to hold this 0.25 area. If it can hold and go over, let's say it can go back to 0.3, 0.32, then you can say, okay, the downtrend is broken. Otherwise, just coming down. I know many people bought it maybe around 0.5, 0.75 and still holding, and they want to average down. I would say just wait and see until we see the downtrend is broken, because once the downtrend is broken, then you know it's not going down more, then you can average down, and once it will go up, you can get out. Okay, if you're a long-term believer on this particular stock, then yeah, if you want, you can hold. If it comes down, you can average down. But again, the stock was around 10-11 cent. Okay, currently at 25 cent. If you buy now, if it comes back to 15.10, it will be down by 50%. I'm not saying it's a bad company, but just saying, just do not think dollar cost average down, let's buy the dip, let's see how the stock reacts. Okay, but if we look at the chart, I see some kind of support right around 0.25, and I have been talking about 0.25 for some time. If you are following my Discord and also my YouTube, that 0.25 was a prior support, then it became resistance, then resistance became support, and last time we came here and bounced. So we have to see, can we hold this 0.25 area? If that 0.25 is broken, what I see, the next line, you see the line here around 0.21, let's say 0.22. Okay, so I'm going to drag this line here so you can see. Again, it's based on the price action. Okay, so 0.215, 0.22, and after that, the next line I want to draw something, let's say something around 18 cent. Okay, 18 cent, then we have 16, not going that far. So these are the areas. Keep an eye on this stock. If it comes down, then you know, like, these are some of the areas. Even you can do some like day trading, because sometimes you will see the price, like when the market opens, it goes up, then it comes down. So you can always play if you know the price action. And normally this is what we do. Like, we always come up with a trade idea. We talk about the deep entry, what's the deep, then if it goes higher, what should be a breakout entry, then what is the profit, and the market was terrible, but I'm happy that actually some of the picks we had, they did some nice move and we were able to make some money. Even though this video is about TRKA, but just want to talk about triple BY. I released another video on triple BY. The market was bad, but triple BY actually moved 12% the other day. It moved almost 12% the other day, and this is a stock, like, this is we are talking about some kind of swing on triple BY, because when we look at the chart, maybe you can just have a look with me now. This particular area 1.15, 1.2, like last time massive move happened. The short interest on triple BY is like 75-80% now, so it might go also. So just watch the other video, and yeah, and whatever stock you are following, let me know. And pre-market Monday, we will make our own plan. We will make trade ideas, we will play option. And if you want to be part of my community, you want to get all the trade ideas alert, just join my community. $15 or $20, or even for the VIP $25 with email alert. Give a try and we will trade together. Okay, thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.